Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to generate a 3D AI avatar from a single photo. If you want to create a 3D AI avatar from a single photo, so you just have to install an application for this purpose. Just open your Play Store app, then go to search bar, and here just search for face swap magic. Just search for this and then open the first application and you just have to install it. As you can see, I have already installed this application. So just open the application and here you will be able to generate your 3D AI avatar. So just tap on let's start and then skip the ad first. So now scroll down and you just have to choose this category. Just select it and then select the style. As I'm going to choose this one, so just tap on it and then you just have to upload your own photo. I'm choosing this one, so just tap on it, then tap on generate your avatar, and then after some moments your avatar will be ready. And now you can see I have successfully generated a 3D AI avatar from my one photo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.